Hi guys, it's Lisa. Today I'm going to do an acrylic pour. I'm going to do a ring pour. I haven't done one in forever. Thought it would be fun to do it with my new split cup from Brian at Spontaneous Creations. He makes them with 3D printers. And Artist Loft ready to pour paints. They are ready to go. No medium necessary, no nothing. And they come from Michaels. They dry with a shiny finish. So I already have, see, there's this cup. I already have my cup filled. And in between each, hang on here, like mixed into each one of these, I put a little bit of this folk art dragonfly glaze just to see what it would do. So yeah, so let's get right into it. Like I said, the colors I'm using are just red, yellow, and blue, and in one of the slits I have black so that it kind of blends with this. Uh-oh, I didn't tape the back. All right, please hold. We'll put you on hold for a second. Okay, I'm back. Like magic. All right. So, I taped my bottom. I also put press and seal on it, just in case, so that I don't get, instead of taping the whole thing, I usually just cover this with like some sort of paper or something. I usually use like freezer paper. Last time I was at Dollar Tree, they were out of freezer paper, so I grabbed this press and seal, and it actually presses right down to the tape, so, and it sticks. So, that works good. Okay, all right. Now, I'm just going to do a simple ring pour in the middle. If I don't have enough paint, I'll, to get it to slide over the edges, then we'll put some black paint in there. All right, so this is the first time I'm using this cup, so I'm excited to see. How it works. Gosh, I haven't done this in forever. Look, imagine that, a piece of glitter. Okay. Just right in the middle, Lisa. Don't make it complicated. It's kind of a big cup for my little hand to hang on to. Hope I don't drop it. All right, here we go. I can see that dragonfly glaze in there. Don't go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Obviously, my table's not level because I am way over. Why is it still going that way? I seriously have the board tipped up. Holy crap. It's like endless paint. I'll make a little tornado here. And then come right off the edge. All right, obviously it needs to come back. Ooh, that's a lot of yellow. Okay, I'm going to torch some bubbles here. Before I stretch it out. That dragonfly glaze must be causing cells, because this Artist Loft paint doesn't sell by itself. All right, I'm going to go this way first because I want to dump off some of that. Try to do it so you guys can see. That's a lot of yellow. If you have a stubborn piece of paint that's not going over, you can just tap it. I'm going to bring that little tornado down a little bit. Ugh, hate these gloves. Yeah, that dragonfly glaze must be doing this crazy cells. What needs to come off? I don't really think anything does. I want to keep that red. How thick is my paint? Maybe I can bring the red back in a bit. Stretch it out some. And then bring it back. All right. I'm going to torch it and then I'm going to leave it for a little bit. See what it does. So if you don't want cells in your ring pour, which I don't usually go for in my ring pour, don't use the dragonfly glaze. But it's super pretty in there. You can totally see it. So I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'll bring you back for a close-up. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes and this thing has just gone batshit crazy. I was reading the bottle on the dragonfly glaze, and then it dawned on me that before I put the paints in the split cup that I was using, I sprayed the cup with the silicone spray. But I just put a tiny, tiny bit just so that the paint wouldn't stick in the cup because I thought it'd be a huge pain in the butt. But I completely forgot. So as it's sitting here drying, I'm thinking, why is this happening? Why is this happening? Because it looked like silicone divots. See how those... So anyway, then it was like, oh, dumbass, you put spray silicone in the cup. So these look like brains over here. I'm telling you guys, I just went I mean, I didn't put a whole lot because it was a ring pour. I didn't really want cells. But now it's just like one big creepy... Hang on, this light's stupid. It's like one big creepiness. And they're like, there's spots where they're so uniform. They look like caterpillars or something. Do you see the sparkle? That's the dragonfly glaze. It's got a color shift. Here's some right down here. See in the black? It shifts colors. These are so creepy. Look at that one. That one's like bubbling up. Alright, cool. It's not what I was going for, but I see now you can see it. See in the black? It goes from blue to purple. Some greens. So yeah, not what I was going for, but it's looking really cool. And then the blue, those, these here that look blackish, in person they're more purple. Look at, that one's got bubbles in it. Do you see it? I wonder if that's from, I primed the wood. Maybe I didn't get it good enough. Alright guys, so that's it for the ring pour. I am going to try another one without shooting a silicone blaster in the cup and see what a difference it is. So thanks for joining me. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think and how creepy this is. And I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come join Tammy Anderson and I in our Facebook group, United We Pour, with Tammy and Lisa. We'd love to have you over there if you're looking for a great group to join. And yeah, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye.